Okay, our topic for today is assigning users to predefined IAM roles within a project. So number one, you can go to IAM, but first I want to show you the roles here. The name, roles, dash owner. Then click this. So as you can see, there's a 5,642 assigned permission for owner. Okay. Number two is the name, roles, dash viewer. There are 2,540 assigned permissions. Okay, let's let's add the email as a compute viewer. First, you go to IAM and then click add. Okay, then add the email as a compute viewer. Backpictures 101 at gmail. Okay, so select the role, which is compute viewer. So this is the compute viewer. Read only access to get this information about all compute engine resources, including instances, dates, and variables. Allows getting and listing information about these images and snapshots, but does not allow reading the data stored on them. Okay, so click save. Okay, so here's now back features, compute viewer, owner, compute viewer, and then let's create a compute engine and see and check in the compute viewer email. So compute engine, just click here, compute engine, VM instance. Okay, now let's create an instance in owner. So let's rename as instance 1. So as is on, and then create. Let's do B2 medium 4. Okay, let's create. As you can see, here. You can also see this in, oh wait, that's why. You can also see this in a compute viewer email. So if I open this, so it's open the SSH. Let's check the instance in the owner. Okay, as you can see, the instance 1, you are allowed to edit, reset. You are allowed to edit, reset, then you can stop, you can delete. Okay, this is the owner account. Let's check to the viewer, compute viewer account. So now this is a compute viewer account. So we share the project 91757, create in the owner and add this email as a compute viewer. So let's check to the dashboard. Let's check the dashboard or go to the compute engine vn instance. Let's check the instance. Okay, let's check the instance. As you can see, since it's compute viewer, you cannot edit the instance, you cannot reset, you cannot stop, you cannot suspend, and you cannot delete because you are a viewer only. So the name of the instance is instance 101, which is I create that in one email. Okay, so this is the email where I create the instance. This is the owner. Okay, so now we can add a new role. So click this and then add new role. Let's add a compute admin, full control of all compute engine resources. Okay, let's see. So now the back features 101 have two roles, the compute viewer and the compute admin. So now let's check the compute viewer account. So this is a compute viewer account. Okay, let's wait. Let's refresh. So as you can see, the compute viewer account, since we had the compute engine, a compute admin role, so yeah, it allowed to edit the instance from the owner instance. So okay, you can edit, you can reset, you can stop. Okay, so now let's create an instance here in this account. Okay, so let's create. So now let's create the instance. Again, we can create an instance from compute viewer account because we add new role as a compute admin. It's allowed to create an instance. So instance 2, again the instance 2 from back features 101. Let's create. As you can see, there's an error here. Create VM instance and it's boot disk. Operation failed with message does not complete developer user back features as project owner. So the solution is ask the project owner to grant you the IAM service. So this is the IAM service account user on the role service. So now we can go to the owner, to the project owner, and ask the project owner to add this role on the service account. Okay, so let's check in the project owner account. Okay, now the solution on the error. You can go to IAM permissions roles and then you can add edit here. Now you can add another role. So the role is service account user. Now let's check. So this is the service account user. Run operation as the service account. So, okay, then click save. Okay, now let's check the other account, the back features 101, if it's allowed to create the instance. So let's refresh. Oh, sorry, but again, I think I need to click the instance here, but I refresh. So let's create instance to prove that it's no error. Okay, so since we add the service account user role, so let's create the instance. So this is the error. So I think we need to retry, but we'll already create the instance. So it's okay, there's no error now. Okay, so the solution for this error is ask the project owner to add this IAM service account user or the service account user in permission and roles under IAM tab. Okay, so as you can see, the instance is created in this account. This is not a project owner. Okay, the project owner is the jmg.fns@gmail.com. Okay guys, thank you so much.